How's it going? Philip at Trade Genius. Well, it's the middle of the month, Wednesday, and you know what that means? CBOE, futures contract expiration on Bitcoin. Now, this happens every month. I'm going to show you guys something I've been noticing with that. So let's dive into this video and check that out.
Trade Genius.
Okay guys, so here we have the daily chart of Bitcoin, Coinbase pricing. And again, the red lines are the CME expiration. So that's the one at the last Friday of the month. Yellow lines indicate the middle Wednesday of the month, which is the CBOE expiration. So on January 25th, we'll have the CME expiration. But we're going to concentrate on the yellow lines, which are the smaller contract, the CBOE. Now, typically the larger CME contract will pivot. So we'll get a pivot off of that contract expiration, meaning that if we're going up into it, we'll pivot and swing back down low, and vice versa. If we're coming down into it, we'll pivot and swing back up. And we saw that on the last expiration. Now, when it comes to the CBOE, what I've been noticing is that the candle body for the day of the expiration tends to indicate the direction of the following days after the expiration. What I mean by that is if the candle is red or green on the day of the expiration, it tends to have some follow through on that particular direction. So if it's red, then it's going to be some more selling after the CBOE expiration, and if it's green, there's going to be more buying. So if you look at this one here, for example, small green body, kind of indecisive, but that showed some more buying to the upside after the expiration. If we look back on the November contract, big red day, and then it continued to go down. We look back on the October expiration. This was the period of time where we had complete and utter chop, and it was just no volatility. And we had a very slight red on that candle body, and we did drift down. For the time period, that was actually a decent move down, believe it or not, because it was so sideways relative to the price action. Okay, September, green body, continued to see it go up. August, green body, continued to see it go up. July, green body, continued to see it go up. June, red body. This was a month where you didn't really see that manifest itself in the way that the previous months do it. So it's not 100%, but there's high probability to that color direction on that day of the expiration. It did, however, roll over about a week later. Again, red on May, comes down a bit, comes back up, tests that level again, then rolls back over ultimately. April, green body, and some more follow through to the upside. So there's a lot of the probability is pretty high that whatever the candle direction is on the day of the CBOE expiration, all right, so that's what's coming up here, is that we'll see some more follow through. So we're currently working on a green, and these candle bodies for the daily closes at 7 p.m. Eastern. Right now it is about right after noon Eastern. So check that out, see what direction it closes in, and then as you're setting up for the rest of the week, keep that in mind. The probabilities are that we see further direction as far as what the candle body color is. So green, look for more upside. Red, more downside in the coming days and weeks. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Just thought I would share that, and hope that helps. If you like what we're producing, please hit like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching the videos. I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.
Trade Genius.